Okay, this is a very exciting moment. Look at what I got in the mail. It's from eBay. I've never gotten orchids from eBay today, and I am going to open this in front of you. This is dangerous. I've never ordered orchids from eBay in the past. I go to all the nurseries around me here in Sarasota, Florida, southwestern Florida. I go to all the garden stores. I've been to many, many places, but I've never ordered orchids off of eBay. So, like I said, this could be a problem because if I'm happy, what that means is at night when I can't sleep, I can just go on eBay and be like, click, click, click. Oh, I want that orchid. Beep. And they get sent to my house. That's not good. That's not okay. Anyone out there that is addicted to orchids knows that is a very dangerous problem to have. I probably have to declare bankruptcy at some point. But anyway, I haven't opened this yet. I mean, I opened the top part, but I haven't looked at any of the orchids. I can't even remember what I bought. But there's a few in here, and we're going to open them together. First, eBay. You'll get my reaction, my real reaction. All right, number one. What did I order? I can't even remember. You know what? I can't see. I don't have any glasses. Okay, you can still hear me because I have a microphone on, but without glasses, I can't see anything. So, in order for me to explain to you what is happening, I need to have my glasses on. So, here we come, and I'm back. Okay, let's take a look here. This is Dendrobium Sunny Vista. I don't know. Not very big. Not that exciting. I don't remember why I got this, but it's probably something cool that I've never had before. Okay, that's not very exciting. Number one, I think I paid like $30 for this, which is a lot of money, plus shipping. Okay. So far, not thrilled. Number two, let's take a look. What is going on here? I don't know. It's well wrapped. I'm pleased with that. All right, what we got? What we got here? Oh, this is a healthy looking plant. This is D. specio. It's a dendrobium. I can't remember what I bought. I believe this one is a deep dark purple. I love dendrobium. They grow like a weed here in Sarasota, and they grow fast. I don't know what this thing is. It's cool though. See how healthy the leaves are? I don't know how well you can tell, but it's a healthy plant. All the shoots are healthy. Okay, I'm good with this. What else do we have in here? Oh man, wrapped in newspaper. I got a nice discount on shipping because I got so many at once. All right, this is a Cattleya. We have, oh no, this is a Bulbophyllum. I don't have a single one of these that survived. They have small, strange flowers. So, can you see my small, strange flowers? I know they like a lot of water, but I got this because it is a healthy plant. They're usually very small. They're tricky to grow. I've never grown one before, so maybe in a year or two I will do a video on Bulbophyllum and give you my 2 cents. But I've never liked them because the flowers are so unimpressive. I mean, showy. I should put it that way. For connoisseurs, I'm sure their tiny little unique flowers are mind blowing. But you know what? I have to do some sort of thumbnail for the video, so let me do this. Was that good enough? Wait, let me put it so you can see the plant in here. Oh, wait. Okay. That's my thumbnail. Alright, so far, I don't like the size of the plants. They were healthy, though. I'm cool with that. Alright, that's the thing. When you shop online on eBay, you don't know what they really look like. Oh, this one's pretty sad looking. I think I only paid $20 for this because they said it was young. Not happy. If you can see, the leaves are not like plump isn't the word. They're not fleshy. They're not firm, I guess would be one word. Not the happiest looking plant ever. Yeah, see, this is a Dendrobium Red Sunny. So this is a dark, deep dark Dendrobium flower. Not happy. It's going to be a couple years before this thing blooms. I know it's going to be unique looking. It was cheap, but thumbs down. Not a huge fan. All right, let's look at what's next. Wait. That's it? Okay. This is my reaction. Very disappointed. These are small plants, baby little plants. Expensive. Way more expensive than what you get at a nursery. And you can't even see what you're getting if you get something at a nursery. This one's all right. But yeah, not real happy. A little disappointed. Pretty lame. Probably won't do that again. Okay, so really, if you think about it, this is a blessing in disguise, right? Because if I just got these magnificent, amazing plants and they're super cheap from eBay, and I would then have a serious problem on my hands. But since they kind of suck, I do not. So I hope everyone enjoyed the unboxing of my orchids today. Everyone have a wonderful, pleasant day, evening, whatever. We are in the middle of a tropical storm here in Sarasota, Florida. We're in between rain bands, so everything's pretty chill right now, but not for long.